create a men's polo sweatshirt. First thing first, go to google.com, look for something similar, find something that you like the best, and then just copy it and save it to your computer or screenshot it. Then you're gonna go to Adobe Illustrator and open it up. And using the pen tool, you're gonna trace the body, only half of the body. So we're gonna trace the body, then we're gonna trace the sleeve, then we're gonna trace the sleeve cuff. Then we're gonna create the neck collar, the polo neck collar, and the rib cuff. The neck collar I wanted a rib, so I'm gonna create the ribbing. You're gonna take the rib pattern, copy it, and paste into. Select the shape and paste into the shape, and do the same thing for the neck collar. Next we're gonna make the side split. Now let's move to the neck collar, to the neck placket. I'm gonna create the neck collar in the same ribbing fabric and the neck placket. Next I'm gonna fill all the shapes with white color. Next I'm gonna create a neck placket with 4 buttonholes and 4 buttons. I like to use only shapes for the buttonholes and for the actual button, because then you can easily change the colors when you have a shape. Now let's fill up the shape to the back, front and back neck collar with the ribbing pattern. And just like that we have half of the shirt ready, so we're gonna copy it and flip it to the other side. I'm gonna position it properly and making sure all the shapes fit and align properly. We're gonna create the back panel, copy the front panel, make it a little longer and shape it the way you want it. And just like that, the neck collar and the neck placket and the mold buttons and everything, it's aligned properly. So I'm gonna double check and align everything into shape. And let's not forget of the neck label, so I'm gonna add the neck label using your logo. Let's not forget of the bottom seam, so we're gonna add the stitching to the bottom, front and back stitch hem. Let's copy the front and create the back panel. Move all the pieces and only leave the back panel. Make sure all the shapes are aligned properly and we send it to back. Ready to color it with whatever color you want. You can do 2-tone or 1-tone and voila, you have your polo. Make sure you color all the inside shape and the ribbing pattern as well. We color the ribbing in the sleeve cuff to match the neck collar. I color the back, and just like that I have a shirt, a polo shirt in blue color, and it's ready to download on fashiontechpacks.com.